Crossing our fingers that everything works for a week. So the countdown has begun for the Easter Jeep Safari. In an upcoming video, you're gonna see us work on my brother's Jeep. We take it out, test it, make sure it's good for Moab, and you'll see us figure out that the air lockers don't work in this thing. So that's what we're doing today, is fixing air lockers and getting ready for the Jeep Safari, because it's here and it's crunch time. Here we go. So we've got some air locker troubles going on. We're figuring them out right now. Rear air locker is on. It works. It is locking up. Front air locker is no working. And you come right over here, that's the breather. Means I got an internal bypass going on in the front end. Wah, wah, wah. I'll explain this, what it means to you. I gotta gut this whole front end, pull the carrier out, put these two $3 sills back in it, put it all back together. Air lockers are awesome, but you pay the price. Here's the price. That's a serious snap ring right there.
She didn't hit you in the face, so.
Gotta keep the money maker.
Win, win, win.
Oh, and of course I can't get to those ones without pulling that. And that is stripped out. Why wouldn't it be, right?
Gotta take everything apart to get to the top too.
I don't know what I gotta do. We're calculating. All right, we'll let a little oil out. We'll see where it's leaking. Well, we'll let that leak and we'll see where this has caused us grief at. Yep. It's coming apart. It's leaking right here. Their seals are right underneath that. So, she's coming out. Clean some 90 weight off so I don't have to deal with it as much. Got it. Well, it's still greasy in this side.
Let me tell you what song's in my head.
I got big butts and I cannot lie.
No.
Not that one?
It's that one with the stories with Paul.
Oh, at least it's not Sir Mix-a-Lot.
I don't know if he knows Sir Mix-a-Lot.
Yeah.
He's seen his mom dance around the house singing that before.
Oh, it was you.
What?
It was who?
Dad.
Couldn't have been me. I
Holy
can't
smoke.
sing.
Let's go ahead and bust that out right now on video.
That's probably not gonna happen.
We'll give the people what they want.
They don't want that. They do not want that. Normally I could just pull these 5 bolts, tug the axles out. But where I have RCVs in it, the easiest thing to do is to pull the knuckles and pull the whole thing out. So that's what we're doing. Lots of bolts. We're gaining. Another hour, we'll be going back together.
It's like you're just like your dad, hard on stuff. I have to have everybody tell us in the comments who's harder on stuff, you or him.
Well, we're gonna have to tell us what's the best axles to put in these RCs.
Yeah, all you axle people that have been commenting, let this boy know what the best ones are for this RC. He keeps breaking them.
Yeah, I do.
Oh yeah, you've been putting some torque to it. Those big tires are awesome, aren't they?
Yeah, they're getting good grip and too much.
Man, you put stickies on, stuff breaks.
Yeah. It's like
Or you're just a 3-cent freaking O-ring leak.
Hey, maybe it's the stickies that done it to that too.
I wish it was, but it ain't. This may be installation error, I think.
Learn it the hard way, right?
Evidently. That ought to be fun to get off. They were tight going on last time. Maybe that's loose enough to get it off. I don't know if it is. I'll wear that if I don't.
Wipe it off.
Have to come clear off. the easiest way I know how to deal with RCVs, because pulling them apart sucks. I love grease almost as much as I love 90 weight. There we go. Now we can pull the carrier and solve the problem. All right, so we're pulling the bulkhead fitting right now so that we can pull the line. Okay, now it should come out of there when we pull this. Those were already at 80 foot-pounds. Let's see, that driver's side, passenger side. Pull this back here. I have dropped these before and I don't want to again. This thing's heavy, just in case anyone was wondering if it is.
How heavy is it?
Heavy enough it'd break your toes. Okay. Bulkhead fitting's out. Shims are not coming out with it. Okay, I got all the shims from this one side though. Got them. Yeah, those shims stay with that. My problem is, son of a gun. I don't know if you can see this right there. Seal's toasted. That was causing all of our grief. We'll put a new seal in that, put it back on, and assemble this whole piece of junk for, I'll show you how much this rubber seal, what it really is. In my humble opinion, ARBs are still the best. I'm not an electric locker fan. Me and Randall have been having this discussion all day, what's best. I can't even get this seal out, that's how good it is. That right there has ruined my day. That little tiny nick that you can see out of it ruined my day. But we'll throw some new seals in it. Slam, bam, boom, and she'll be back in business. That right there is tow truck parts. Lucky for us, we don't need the tow truck right yet. We're gonna go ahead and rob from Peter to pay Paul today. I'm Paul. There's the little girls I was looking for. This should solve my problems. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one out.
Save it for a rainy day.
You'll get my knife. Yeah, I'll save it. It's a good one. We'll get it out without ruining it. And then we'll slap this thing back together. Good thing my knife's dull. There's no chance of me cutting this seal. Okay, we'll clean this up. Try here. Found it.
Oh! A
Big
big shot!
Okie dokes. She's clean. Looking good. We'll put it together and she'll go right back in. One brandy new one. Two brand new ones with a little grease to make them not cut them when I put it together. This is probably where I damaged the last one. It was definitely installation error. She's put back together. Now we clean some sealing surfaces up, stuff this back in, and put some air to it, see if it leaks. Still heavy, in case anyone was wondering. You know how much easier this is on a bench?
I don't.
A lot. What movie's that off of? It's Ace Ventura, I think.
Pet Detective or When Nature Calls? I can't remember. Not The Mask, is it?
Is it The Mask?
I don't know.
Better tell us and let us know what movie we're even talking about here. I can completely remember him saying it.
That close to being back together.
Click, click. Okay, now I gotta get that back up into the thing, tighten it back down, and then we'll air check it. And if it ain't leaking, we'll throw it back together and not do burnouts. We're just easing it on the trailer, going to Moab, crossing our fingers that everything works for a week, and we get to drive it and not work on it. I really was gonna bring my forklift in today and get the brakes working on it, because we got some stuff going down in the shop that I need a forklift for, and my brakes conveniently quit working on me this week. But instead, here I am, building the Dana 60, ARB style. Okay, so we're putting the bulkhead fitting back into this. All right, we're gonna give this a quick little air check. I like it.
I don't hear no leaking.
Nope, just from my chuck. So she's fixed. We'll throw it back together. We probably won't bore you with the whole assembly of this thing. And then we're gonna nut and bolt the entire buggy and grease it and get it Moab ready.
We interrupt this video to give you some breaking news.
We've had lots of people commenting and stuff and saying that they've won stuff from us. It's a scam. We haven't given anything away yet. And if we do give something away, which we're going to, we're not gonna make you pay anything to get it.
Do not fall for it. If it's not a reply from the Fab Rats with a check mark on it, it's not us. Yeah, don't ever give anybody your credit card information, you guys. If you win a contest and they want your credit card information,
You didn't
it's a
win.
little fishy.
Yeah, you didn't win. If you win from us, we're gonna call you and talk to you.
Yeah.
So don't fall for it. It's a scam. There's a lot of people trying to steal your hard-earned money. Don't fall for it.
Yeah, please don't fall for it. They're super good at it though. They're using our profile picture, putting like our name in it and everything. Just don't fall for it. Please.
They're still on our merchandise as well and selling. So if you're not buying from the Fab Rats, you're not buying it from us, you're buying it from scammers. So be careful out there. There's lots of dishonest people.
Yep. We love you guys and we don't want you to get scammed.
That's right. Let's get back to the video. All right, we got these sweet new universal wiper motors that we're gonna put on. So we got windshield wipers. Don't know if it's gonna rain, but we got a sweet new window, so we might as well have wipers in it. They're pretty simple. Take a nut off out here, take the wires off inside and pull them out. All right, we may pop that, oh, we gotta take the top for that. May have to take it off, Randall. God, all those comments are getting to you. You're getting soft. Alright, there's one junk motor out. Let's see, that's the wrong one. The hole's in the wrong spot, as you can see. Hey, good news is there's a hole on the opposite side that lines up, so we'll just use it. Goes right underneath. It's gonna be good. Be perfect. We'll just build some little wires that run to it. It's gonna be awesome. I think that's gonna be okay. Next time you guys see this thing, it'll be doing some wipey motion. So I got windshield wipers installed. Now I'm gonna put a 160-degree Lincoln-Felter thermostat in this thing and drop the engine temperature down some. It runs like 200, 195. I want it to run a little cooler, like 180, just to reduce the temperature inside the cab. I don't want it to put so much heat out. So we got a bucket underneath of it, and we're gonna go ahead and dump some fluid all over the ground. By the way, check out this new Walls coat I got. It's a pretty sweet coat. I quite like these kind. Hopefully before long I won't need a coat. It'll warm up. Still got a fire ripping this morning and the heater is just cooling off. But warming up, spring's a-coming. So I forgot to video the thermostat, but I'll show you. I have another one. So this is the thermostat I put in. This is the thermostat I took out. It's all one piece. I had to put a different housing on it. Luckily I had some parts. I went and snagged a part for it and put it on. Basically this is a 195 thermostat, 160. I got to do a little programming on the computer to get it to go in closed loop a little quicker, and yeah, we'll get that done. Now we're gonna change oil in it and we're ready for Moab. She's back together. We just got oil put in it. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up. Build a little air pressure. All right, we got air building. We'll watch the compressor. It kicked off, I'll shut it off. Okay, when I jump up here and turn this locker on, we should be able to. All right, there's the front, turn the tire. They both turning?
Yeah.
You hear air leak.
No?
All right, rears kicked in. Oh yeah, rears are in. We'll kick that off. That bleeds off like it should. By George. We got that part of this whip. Now we're gonna go through, grease the whole thing, and then we're gonna give it a bath. We're up to the house. We're gonna give this thing a bath. We're gonna use some Comet and a scrubbing pad. And we'll get after this thing and see if we can't make it shine a little bit, and then we'll spray some WD-40 on it to keep it from rusting up.
they left it out here. Hi. Hi. I wonder what my dad does when he's on this. He's probably like, "Hi guys, it's another day at Fab Rats." How do you take this thing off? Pepper, my cat, she's doing okay. Can you say hi to Fab Rats? Yeah, all the pets are doing good. Scout. My dad, which is Paul, left the tripod here and the camera. I don't know if he was filming anything, but now he's filming me.
Alright, me and Grandpa are out testing the old machine out. She seems happy. It's running where temperature wise, we got good oil pressure. Everything seems to be good. So we're just out enjoying a Sunday afternoon drive. We're in Moab Canyon right now. Just cruising along. This is what she looks like in my backyard. What do you think of this, Grandpa?
Tell you what, this is quite a ride.
Oh yeah, we're coming down into the wash now. We're probably 15 miles as the crow flies from my house. Alright, we're at the crossroads where you can go Moab Creek that way, 4 miles straight ahead, or 3 mile back over that direction. We're going 4 mile. It's better than sitting on the couch at home, isn't it? How long's it been since you were in here?
Probably 20 years.
So Grandpa, he was chasing cows. His cows got away from him and they come down through this and headed towards Best Friends. He rode a horse down through here to come and got him back. So this is the first time he rode up through here other than on a horse. Alright, this is the trail up out of the canyon. We've had a pretty good ride. We're about back to a dirt road and we'll head on home. Just dropping off into Glendale. This is Glendale from above, basically. So I went on a little test ride with Chad the other day and it was good. Then today I took Grandpa for a ride. We went on a, I don't know, 40, 50 mile loop. FJ's good. We're ready for the Easter Jeep Safari. Bring it on. Thanks for watching.